How to make Gamepass on Roblox Mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you make Gamepass on Roblox Mobile. In order to do it so, make sure to watch this video right till the end. So basically, to make a Gamepass, you'll not be able to do it from the application. So you need to log in from the web browser. So on the web address bar, so you just want to go ahead and type in create.roblox.com and hit the search bar. And once you type in that, you want to click on a login button and make sure to log in from a web browser. So type in your credential, all that. So this is my information. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to this section, the experience. So here you could go ahead and locate any of these experience. So I'm going to go with this currently. And then you'll be taken to the next fields. So here you want to make sure to tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to scroll down a bit and then you could find this section as developers product. Then underneath you need to click on passes, after which you'll be able to see the passes that you've already created. Then you could also find the option to create a pass. So you just have to tap on that button, and once you tap on the button, you'll be able to find this section where you could go ahead and upload a image, add a description, all that. So basically go ahead and add it all and then click on create pass. Once again, close this up, and so that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.